So hello guys, good evening. I hope you all are doing really fine. Well, I'm doing really fine as well. So in the last video we talked about how do we sign in on VPN, and now in this video we are going to discuss and learn about how do we connect in a server at VPN. So to do that, firstly open your VPN, any VPN you use. After going to the VPN, you can see the connect option right here, or you can see if you are using another VPN, then you can see connect option somewhere right here or right here. Just you can see the tap on connect, just tap, and you are connected to the server. You can see which server you have been connected, which is faster. The VPN just analyze and connect to the faster server right now. Now here you can see it's Netherlands right now. So that's it guys, hope you like our video, and if you like our video, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for further more videos like this. So if you want to disconnect, just click on cross and you are disconnected. So thank you for watching guys.